Welcome to Incredible Lab channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to increase RAM or memory in your Samsung Galaxy A16 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your settings app. Now from here scroll all the way down and then go to device care option. After that go to memory option and give it a moment. Now from here scroll down a bit and at the bottom you can see RAM plus option, then just tap here and that's it. Now just tap here to increase your RAM or memory. And here you can see three options, 2GB, 4GB and 6GB, and you can choose any option as you want. If I select 6GB and then tap on OK, now your phone will take restart, so just tap on restart and you can see the phone is taking restart, and after restart 6GB RAM will be selected in your phone, so just give it a moment and the restart is complete. Now if you go to same settings again, then go to memory, after that go to RAM plus option again, and it's done. You can see RAM plus option has been enabled successfully and 6GB RAM is selected now. And that is how you can increase RAM or memory in your Samsung Galaxy A16 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.